Hello guys, can you hear that? Yes, we are making all-purpose jollof rice stew today. It's so tasty, it's amazing guys. So you come along with me and let's do this. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you're old subscriber coming, thank you so much for coming. Let's do this. So to start, I have my fresh tomatoes. Okay, I'm going to blend this with some herbs, some fresh rosemary, fresh thyme, and some basil leaves. Okay, so I blend all of these. As you can see, I'm just cooking them before I use it for the stew. It makes my work so easy. So guys, I'm making a lot of these, so I'm adding some tomato passata, okay, to it because I want it to be a lot. All right, but this is optional. So we are still preparing. I've cut some red onions and some sweet peppers, as you can see, and I put some oil on it, and I'm going to put that into the oven to roast. Guys, this gives it a really lovely taste, so you try it. The peppers and onions are done. Now I'm going to blend it with some Scotch bonnet, some garlic, and some ginger. So guys, we are ready to fry our stew. I have some grains of selim, and also I'm going to add some star anise and also some bay leaves into my rapeseed oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So guys, the tomato puree is cooking nicely. I've added a bit of curry powder to cook with it. It smells amazing. I'm also adding my roasted onions and peppers and garlic and ginger, as I told you before. Guys, this gives it a really delicious taste. Okay, I tell you, try it and you thank me later. Guys, just look at that. It's all cooked nicely. I'm going to add my cooked tomatoes that with the herbs that we did at the beginning. Okay, and I tell you, the aroma is amazing. Look at the pot of stew I'm making. I'm adding another curry powder, and I'll add some anise seed, and I also added some nutmeg, a little bit of nutmeg, and a little bit of salt. Okay, yeah, that's all that it is, and I'll allow this to cook nicely, and I tell you, we are almost done. Right, our stew is done. There's oil on top of the stew. Okay, as you can see, it is done. It smells amazing. It tastes so good. Guys, you can use this to make any type of jollof rice. You can make chicken jollof rice, you can make beef jollof rice, you can make tuna jollof rice, any jollof rice of your choice. And I'll show you how to do that. I'm taking the oil off, okay, because I use the oil to fry the stew so that there'll be less oil. Yes, and when it's cooled, I will just put them in containers and I'll put it in the freezer. And you can make jollof rice any day as a working mom. So if you want to know how to make all these types of jollof rice, you need to subscribe to my channel. Okay, just like this video and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Please don't forget to share. Okay, bye.